Welcome to this tutorial, where we'll dive into the basics of customizing the text and content on your design. As you can see, I've already loaded in the design, and now I'm going to show you how to make it uniquely yours. First things first, let's start with the heading. To change it, all you need to do is hover your mouse over the text box that contains the text, and you'll notice it becomes highlighted. Simply double-click on the box, and now you can edit it. Type in your text. It's that simple. Now let's say you want the heading to be a bit smaller. No problem. Click on the text box and you'll see a handy toolbar up top. Use it to adjust the text size. You can also resize the text box itself, just like you would in Microsoft Word, to fit your preference. You can also update the font style. Click on the text you want to change, and in the toolbar, select the font drop-down. You'll find a variety of fonts to choose from. Play around with it until you're satisfied. You can even make it bold, italicized, underlined, or switch it to all capitals. The choice is yours. Alignment is another handy tool. If you're working on a paragraph and want it left aligned, just pick the left alignment option from the toolbar. And if bullet points are your thing, you can click through different styles or revert back as needed. Last but not least, let's talk about spacing. You can control letter spacing, which adjusts the space between individual letters. If you look at this text, you'll notice it has a bit more space between the letters. You can access this feature by clicking on the text, going into the spacing settings, and using the slider to bring the letters closer or move them further apart. You can also adjust the line spacing for paragraphs. That's all there is to it. You now have the knowledge to edit your text to perfection. It's as simple as that.